This week's video is going to talk about how you are able to bring the panel to your device and control it from anywhere in the room. This is a similar process for both Unplugged and Clevershare. We are just looking at Unplugged in this particular video. So we have Unplug loaded onto our device, whether that is a Windows computer, a Mac, a tablet, phone, whatever you are utilizing, Unplugged is loaded on there. We have already set it up. So I am going to connect, and this time, instead of choosing share screen, I am going to choose TV mirror. When I select TV mirror, what you notice now is my Boxlight panel is visible on my device. I do have the ability to make this full screen so that I'm able to see it a little bit clearer. When I open this, we originally set view control and wireless annotation to view only. However, for this video purpose, I have it all allowed. What you will notice is next to my laptop, this touch icon has a green check next to it. That is giving me permission. If I were to click and select this, the green check would go away and I would only be able to view the panel. I wouldn't be able to interact with it. What you will notice is I am moving the mouse on my computer screen. When I select the Opera browser icon, I don't have to stand at the panel to click. Now when I select, I'm able to switch between tabs. I still have my sidebar menus, so I am able to select if I wanted to annotate over the top of this. I'm able to use the mouse on my device. If I'm using a tablet and I have a pen, it's nice and easy to be able to write and interact. But you can see I have the ability to do everything as if I were standing at the panel. However, now my panel is coming to my device. I will close out of this. I do have some other features. So I have this little pop-out menu. I have a pen tool with this as well. It works just the same. I can select the trash can and my writing will go away. I can click the pen and now I'm back at touch. I do have a house icon. When I select this, it brings me back to the home screen and I am able to open up and get into the programs that I typically use on the panel. So again, the idea of this would be you can bring the panel to any device. If I am walking around with my tablet and I have my pen and I want to be able to write on the panel itself, I can select my pen. I can then write on the panel as if I were up there. So it kind of frees up our being tied directly to the panel, being tied directly to our desk. We have more mobility. This is really nice as well. If you have students at the panel working, you can have this directly next to you while you are working with your small group, and you can then see what everybody is doing at the panel and be able to quickly give feedback or correct when needed. Okay, so a quick recap of what we did. We pulled up the Unplug'd app onto our device. We connected directly to our panel. This time, instead of share screen, we selected TV mirror. Because we had our permissions set, all allowed, we were able to view that we have touchback capability. If you have this set at view only, all you need to do is open the Teacher Control Center and select this first icon with the hand on it to make that green check mark. Once that is selected, you are able to stand anywhere in the room and select and click to open your browsers. You have your sidebar menus. By choosing this pop-out menu on the side, I'm able to easily return back to the home screen. And then I have all of the tools and apps that I am working with typically, and I can easily switch between them to be able to interact. To get out, you select the X and you return back to the home screen. From here, you are able to share. You can again TV mirror or simply disconnect.